So we have question 16b from the past paper I've been going through, and I've titled it Sandwich Ratios because Amol received £6,660 from selling the 3,000 sandwiches in June. The numbers of sandwiches sold were in the ratio meat, cheese, vegan of 947. The price of a meat sandwich is £2.39. The price of a cheese sandwich is £1.89. Work out the price of a vegan sandwich. So I think the first thing we should work out in this question is how many sandwiches were sold of each. So there were 3,000 sandwiches sold in June of a meat cheese ratio of 947. So let's just expand that ratio up to have them all add up to 3,000. So 9, 4 and 7 is going to be equal to 20. If we simply divide 3,000 by 20, we're going to work out how much we need to times each sandwich amount by in the ratio to get the total number of sandwiches sold of each. So 3,000 divided by 20 gives us 150. So we know we need to times each of these ratios of sandwiches by 150. So 9 by 150 is 1,350. 150 times 4 is 600, and then 7 times 150 is 1,050. Leave any comments or questions if you're not sure how I've got to this point so far, but I've just applied that ratio to the 3,000 sandwiches sold. So we know how many meat, cheese and vegan sandwiches they sold, and we know the price of a meat sandwich is £2.39, so let's times that by the amount sold. So £2.39 times 1,350 means £3,226.5 was generated by the meat sandwich sales. Using the same method, the cheese sandwiches generated £1,134. So if we subtract these total amounts, we'll work out how much the vegan sandwiches generated. So the vegan sandwiches generated the total amount, so 6,660 minus how much the meat and the cheese sandwiches generated. So that leaves us with £2,299.5 left. And then if we divide that by the amount of vegan sandwiches sold, which is 1,050, we're going to work out each vegan sandwich cost £2.19. Now again, hopefully that made sense. Hopefully it was clear. If it wasn't, leave any comments or questions down below. Best luck with your maths and thanks for watching the video.